Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we have got a wonderful topic, that is uh, some of the chemistry based daily life mysteries which I will be answering hopefully in this video, and this is going to be amazing. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get into it. We have got a lot of mysteries to solve today, and the very first that we have got is the question that why is the water drop spherical in shape? Why the rain, when the rain falls, it is spherical in shape? Why have you ever considered like why is like uh, why is the raindrop not like this triangle shape, and why the raindrop is not in this square shape, and why the raindrop is completely not circle shape while the raindrop is in this shape? What's the reason behind this shape of the raindrop? So here are the examples, like you can see in this diagram, that it is in this shape, not in completely circle. And here on this mirror we have got another reason why. If there are some liquids you just throw on the mirror or any surface of glass, they just fall down very quickly, while water drops get stuck to, or they get attached to the glass mirror. What is the reason behind it? Like why these do not fall down? Well, these are fluids are the one which can fall down. Why this thing doesn't happen, that they are not falling down? So hopefully let's look into first this one thing, that why is this happening. First of all, we need to understand about the surface tension, that is like equal. The bulk molecules are being attracted equally by each side and became more stable and low energy. So that is what surface tension plays a role. Simply, there's got a simple reason. If you do compare this thing and you compare this thing, now in the center we have got the nucleus, or here we have got the central parts of the both. Now what I am going to do is this. uh, you know Here you can see, if you attract these all, they will be get attracted from each side, and this is complete chemistry behind it, why this is happening. I'm just explaining you guys this thing. Okay, so this was the reason why it is spherical. And if you compare, do the same thing with this square, then this thing will happen. Now I'm just doing this thing. uh, Now let's discuss. Now if you see, compare the both diagrams, you can see that the length of this is not equal to this. This means the force of attraction is not equal to the center by all the electrons. And if you compare this one, these all are equal. Even though there would be mistake in some of my geometry, like I'm not 100% equal in the diagrams, but in reality that is accurate. And this is the reason why it happens. The molecules or the electrons of the complete molecule are just being equally attracted by the center to get stable, more stable. So that is the reason, like, this thing is not being plotted here. You can see that there is a small arrow, there is a big arrow. A difference comes over here which makes it non-stable, while if you compare this one with this, all are stable, and this is perfectly fine. And if you are thinking like what is happening, like why is it not like this? So of course here we have got unequal. Like here, from this side there is no equal attraction. Here from all the side, if you have got equal attraction, you can take any other shape. While if you say that uh, I've just drawn completely circle, it is like somewhat like this. So this is because of the reason, like, you know the air resistance and all that factors make it flow. They are falling into gravity section, they are going towards a positive gravity. So their shapes get little enhanced, while the things are like in the center, and they are being attracted like this, and they have got equal attractions. They just, this turns into this when it just falls from the sky, due to the gravity factors and the air resistance factors and all. So This was the reason. Hopefully this thing is just answered. Now let's move for the second one, and why these are stuck. For this you need to understand cohesive and adhesive forces. And in waters, cohesive forces are the one which is the force of attraction between uh, the molecules, the inner, in between attraction of the molecules in termed as a cohesive forces. For suppose the attraction between water and water molecules is the cohesive force. If we talk about the adhesive force, so adhesive force is the one which you know is the force of attraction between water and any other surface. For example, water and the mirror are two different surfaces and they have got their attraction. Simply the reason behind this is that in water we have got water, or we can write that H2O. In H2O, in H2O we have got adhesive forces more greater than cohesive forces, and these play a lot great role in these sort of things. uh, this is the reason, like, when the force of attraction between the mirror and uh, the water molecules is greater, they are just attached to it, and due to the hydrogen bonding amongst the water molecules, they are found in a form of you know large droplets. This is the large droplets are because of the hydrogen bonding, while the water being attached to the mirror is due to the adhesive forces. So there's a great chemistry behind it, and hopefully I do hope that this simple thing is clear to you guys. In the next video, hopefully discussing some other mystery topics like these. Oh, I'm not showing you right now. That's a surprise for you. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.